Hi students, welcome to your channel MRNS Education and Social Service. Dear students, yesterday we discussed some important questions in chapter differentiation. Now in the same chapter we are going to see some more important questions. See question number 1. If for a continuous function f, function is continuous, f of 0 equal to f of 1 equal to 0, f dash 1 equal to 2, and given y is a function in terms of f of e power x into f of e power f of x, then he want y dash 0. That means differentiate this with respect to x and put x equal to 0. Students, here given y of x equal to f of e power x into e power f of x. Y dash means differentiate one time. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We get y derivative is y dash of x, which is also denoted by dy by dx. Y dash, here we have product of two functions, students. One is u, another one is v. Apply uv rule. Derivative of uv equal to u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Product rule. So apply product rule. F of e power x, e power x derivative e power f of x into power derivative f dash x, because e power x here is f of x, not x, so we have to differentiate it, plus e power f of x into, differentiate this one, f dash e power x into internal derivative e power x. He want y dash of 0 value. Put x equal to 0 on both sides. We get y dash of 0, x equal to 0. He want y dash 0. F of e power 0, that is 1. E power f of 0 into f dash 0 plus e power f of 0, e power x is there, x is 0, e power 0 1, f dash 1, e power 0 is 1. Students, in data given f of 0 is 0, f of 1 is 0, f dash 1 equal to 2. F of 1, how much here? 0. 0 into any value is 0 plus e power f of 0, f of 0 is 0, e power 0, f dash 1 is 2, e power 0 is 1 into 2, that equal to 2. This is the answer. Here important point is use product rule. We know the quotient rule, that is d by dx of u by v equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. It is called quotient rule. Now students, second question, the derivative of cos of 2 into tan inverse root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x minus 2 cos inverse root of 1 minus x by 2 with respect to x. Dear students, if you have like this trigonometry functions and inverse, try to cancel the inverse trigonometry. Here we have tan inverse, make this as a tan inverse tan getting cancelled. So for that you take substitution. Let be this given value as y equal to 2 tan inverse of root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x minus 2 cos inverse of root of 1 minus x by 2. Dear students, put x equal to cos theta, root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x becomes root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. It becomes 2 sin square theta by 2. Denominator is 2 cos square theta by 2. It becomes a tan theta by 2. You have to write cos of 2 tan inverse of, this value is tan theta by 2, minus 2 cos inverse of, here becomes 1 minus cos theta, that is 2 sin square theta by 2 under root. 2 to getting cancelled here, tan inverse tan getting cancelled, cos of 2 into theta by 2 minus 2 cos inverse of sin theta by 2. Dear students, here we have cos inverse. Write down sin theta by 2 as cos of pi by 2 minus theta by 2. 2 to getting cancelled, cos theta minus 2 cos inverse of, in place of sin theta by 2 write cos of pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Now cos theta value is x, students, according to our assumption. 2 into cos inverse cos getting cancelled, we have pi by 2 minus theta by 2. My dear students, y value becomes x minus, multiply with 2 to getting cancelled, minus pi plus 2 to getting cancelled theta. From this theta equal to cos inverse x, students. This is the value of this total function. He want derivative kada, derivative. That means dy by dx, differentiate. X derivative 1, minus pi means 0, plus cos inverse x derivative minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now answer is 1 minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That is the answer, students. My dear students, if you have 1 minus 1 plus, you take x equal to cos theta. Because 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, we have formula. Okay, na students? Next question. If x plus y equal to 3 into e square, then d by dx of x power y equal to 0 for x equal to derivative of x power y 0 given. Then he want x equal to. Dear students, if you have power and base, both are variable, you take logarithm. Before that, given as x plus y equal to 3 into e square. From this y equal to 3e square minus 6. Bring this x to that side. Here what he want? X power y. X power y is equal to x power y value is 3e square minus 6. It is in function of x, let it be, it is f of x. X power y value is this, we consider this is f of x. Taking log base e on both sides, students, we get log f of x equal to 3e square minus x into log x base e. When you apply log, power becomes multiple. Power becomes multiple. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Log derivative 1 by f of x into f dash x. Log derivative 1 by internal derivative f of x derivative f dash. Apply UV rule, students. 3e square minus x log derivative 1 by x in plus log x into this derivative is 0 minus 1. Given derivative of x power y equal to 0, students, since derivative of x power y 0 implies d by dx of f of x 0 implies f dash x equal to 0. Now from 1 f dash x 0 substitute, this is 0. So 0 equal to, it is 3e square minus x by x. 3e square minus x into 1 by x equal to minus log x. See, bring this to this side implies 3e square minus x by x equal to log x. From this 3e square minus x equal to x into log x, cross multiply. 3e square minus x value is x into log x. Here we have logarithmic function. Here we have algebraic function. By verification, put x equal to e square. Put x equal to e square. LHS value is 2e square. RHS is how much? E square log of e square base e. It becomes 2e square. Both are equal. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, for what value LHS equal to RHS? X equal to e square. So x equal to e square is the answer. Okay, now students. See students, it is parametric differentiation equation. X equal to 2 cos t minus cos 2t. Y equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t. Then the value of d square y by dx square when t equal to pi by 2. Dear students, given x equal to 2 cos t minus cos 2t, d square y by dx square means second order derivative. 2 times differentiate cheyali. Here x in terms of t, dx by dt, cos t derivative minus sin t, cos 2t derivative minus of minus 2 sin 2t, minus 2 sin t, minus into minus plus 2 sin 2t. It is dx by dt derivative. And y equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t, dy by dt equal to sin t derivative cos t minus 2 cos 2t. Students, మనకి x ఇచ్చారు, y ఇచ్చారు. dx by dt ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశాను, అలాగే dy by dt. d square y by dx square means first you find dy by dx, which is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt is 2 cos t minus 2 cos 2t by dx by dt is dx by dt minus 2 sin t plus 2 sin 2t. Students, take numerator in denominator 2 common and getting cancelled. Cos t minus cos 2t by, when you take 2 common it becomes sin 2t minus sin t. It is dy by dx. Apply cos c minus cos t formula and also sin c minus sin d. So dy by dx equal to cos c minus cos d minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 means 3t by 2 sine c minus d by 2 means minus t by 2 by sin c minus sin d formula 2 cos t plus d by 2 3t by 2 sin c minus d by 2 t by 2. I used here cos c minus cos d sin c minus sin d formula. 2 getting cancelled. Sin of minus theta is minus minus plus. These two terms cancel. Sin by cos tan 3 theta by 2. This value is dy by dx, students, but he want d square y by dx square. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. It is d square y by dx square. Tan derivative is secant square 3t by 2. Its derivative, internal derivative 3 by 2 into t derivative 1. He want derivative at t equal to pi by 2. Students, here differentiate with respect to x. Please remember that. Internal derivative 3 by 2, t derivative is dt by dx. Make it correction, please. Tan derivative secant square, internal function derivative 3 by 2 t derivative dt by dx, which is equal to secant square 3 by 2 into t 3 by 2. Here dx by dt value is minus 2t plus 2 sin 2t. dt by dx means it is reciprocal. Secant square 3 by 2 into t into 3 by 2. In place of dt by dx, we write it as its reciprocal. 1 by 2 sin 2t minus 2 sin t. Students, take 2 common. It becomes 3 by 2 into 2 into 3 by 4. 1 by sin 2t minus sin t. Put t equal to pi by 2 on both sides. Now d square y by dx square at t equal to pi by 2. It becomes 3 by 4. Secant square of 3 by 2 into pi by 2. 1 by t value is pi by 2, 2 getting cancelled. Sin pi minus sin pi by 2. Students, 3 by 4. It is 3 pi by 4, students. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means pi minus pi by 4, second quadrant. It is 1 by root 2 whole square. Secant pi minus pi by 4. 1 by sin pi is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. This is minus value. 1 by root 2 whole square means 1 by 2, it is 3 by 8. D square y by dx square value is minus 3 by 8, students. So my dear students, please practice all these type of questions and remaining questions also. If you have any doubt, please message me in comment box. Okay students, నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేయండి. స్టూడెంట్స్ కామెంట్స్ పెట్టండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. జై హింద్.